Good morning, everybody. It was so good to see so many of you yesterday. I wish I could have gone to all the places. I was in Applin. I wish I could have gone to Harlem and Grovetown and seen as many people as I could. Um, I miss you all so much. Um, Drop me any questions you have or let me know how you're doing. Send me a message and let me know how you're doing and if you need anything. Um, but I wish I could have gotten everybody. I wish I could go to each one of your houses and knock on your door and say hello, but I can't do that. Well, today is your last day before spring break. I know you're excited that you don't have to do work. I know we can't do much else, but at least we don't have any work to do. We can take the week off and enjoy some fresh air and time with our family, and find something fun to do, find something kind to do, be kind to someone. Um, anyway, I hope you're doing well. Um, I know I talked to several of you throughout the day. I missed the others. Uh, I just want to give you the heads up of what's going on today. You've got your announcement page here with a Padlet for me if you need it. This video that we're taking right now will be uploaded. The morning announcements, student of the day, stuff like that, and a video um, from the office. And then we've got our classwork, which is, oh wait, I need to save this. Okay, I'm posting that. All right, so it's there. I'll add this video. So then you'll go to your classwork, and of course it's 4-3. Okay, and you'll work on this. Okay, there's a video here. I want you to watch it. Don't just say you watched it and have a bunch of questions. Watch it. I do an example of one similar to it and kind of explain everything. So I want you to watch that. Then there's this one word problem, like I did yesterday. You're going to have 5 questions instead of 6. I didn't put switching from standard to slope form on here today. Anyway, 3 are fill in the blank and 2 are multiple choice. So make sure you read this carefully. Make sure you watch the video. If there are some answers that need to be fixed because there's a space or some, or you put it in a fraction form, I'll fix that and then I'll send it back to you. If you have questions, instead of submitting it, just open another tab and either get on the Padlet or hold off and wait till our meeting time, which will be at 10:30, and at 1 tomorrow we'll do Google Meets, and I would love to see people. There's a few of you that come on pretty often, and I love talking to you guys and seeing you guys. I wish I could see more of you guys. I wish we could be in the classroom. But anyway, I'm going to quit saying that right now. Anyway, I'll put the Google links up at 10. I'll probably put it up at about 10:20, and then right about 12:50, I'll put those up. So if you get stuck, don't submit it. Just on the Google form, don't submit that yet if you feel like you're stuck. Either just put the question on Padlet or wait until one of those Google times and jump on, and I'll walk you through it and help you through. If you feel like the video helps you, just watch it again. But then you're done for spring break, and you have a whole week without talking to me or looking at my assignments or hearing me whine about missing you guys. So it's just 5 questions today. Watch the video, 5 questions, that's it. I've been kind of easy on you. When we get back, what I want to do is figure out how to do Kahoot or what's that other thing that we do? Pear Deck. I would like to do Kahoots online. So if you've done it with another teacher, I haven't figured it out yet, so I'm going to try to figure it out over spring break. But if you've done it with another teacher, just send me a private message on the classwork today and let me know what they did. I'll ask the teachers this weekend, but if you know real quick how it worked, let me know. I want to try something different. I know it gets mundane and it gets repetitive, and I don't want to do that. I want to try to introduce some new things. I'm kind of throwing some ideas around, so don't think that I want to keep it the same way all the time. I want you to have some, fluidity in what we're doing so you don't get confused, but I want to mix it up a little so you don't get bored too. So, with that being said, happy spring break. Get your work done early so you can be finished. Um, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Still recording.